Welcome to Locapon. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create and edit campaigns on the Locapon Merchant dashboard. On the left menu, click Campaigns. Here you will see a list of all your campaigns. To create a new campaign, click the Create Campaign button. Here you can fill out all the information for your new campaign. Because my example business is a tutoring company, I'm going to make a campaign that specifically targets university and college students. Remember to check the active box. Name your campaign and add a description. For the gender, let's select all. I want to make sure I cover most of the students going to Fanshawe and Western, so let's make the age between 17 and 27. I'm going to start the campaign today and have it run until the end of the semester. For my target locations, I want to select Western University and Fanshawe College. Because my company is a tutoring business, let's select Services. Once you've filled out all the information to your liking, you can click the Save button. Now you can see the new campaign we just created in our list of campaigns. If you want to edit a campaign, simply click the blue Edit button next to the campaign, and it will bring you back to this form. Make any necessary changes and then click Save. Be sure to check out some of our other tutorial videos. If you have any further questions about Locapon, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team. Email customerservice@locapon.com or call 1-855-845-1220 or visit our website for more information at www.locapon.com.